Welcome to the Kitchen Genius Mamma Mia recipes. Today we're whipping up an easy and delicious appetizer that will impress your guests, pesto and sun-dried tomato crostini. Let's get started. First, slice a fresh baguette into half-inch slices. Now let's toast them until they're perfectly crisp. Toast these in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. You want them crunchy enough to hold all those delicious toppings. While the baguette is toasting, grab some basil pesto. Spread a generous layer on each toasted slice. Next, top each slice with chopped sun-dried tomatoes. These add a burst of flavor and a lovely pop of color. Now, for the finishing touch, sprinkle on some grated Parmesan cheese. It's rich, creamy, and absolutely delightful. Now, place these under the broiler until the cheese is melted and bubbly. That's it. Your pesto and sun-dried tomato crostini are ready to impress. From all of us at Kitchen Genius, enjoy your delicious creation.